The Velvet Revolution. In 1989, the people of Czech overthrew their government. They did it without firing a single shot or making aggressive threats. They did not endanger the lives of any government officials. This moment in history is known as the Velvet Revolution. Before 1989, Czechoslovakia had a communist government. Many Czechs did not have the kind of freedom they wanted. People began to feel exasperated with their government. A man named Václav Havel wrote plays and articles about his exasperation. He went to jail many times for his writings. People in Czech read Havel's works. He helped people who disagreed with the government realize that they were not alone. On November 9, 1989, the Berlin Wall came down. This was a wall that separated East Germany, a communist country, from West Germany, a democratic country. Almost overnight, Germany became a democracy. Czech is located right next to Germany, and when the Berlin Wall came down, they saw that they could become a democracy too. The Velvet Revolution started 1 week later on Thursday, November 16th. That day, a group of high school and college students had a big protest in the city of Bratislava. People in other cities heard about the protest and started their own protests. At first, the protesters were mostly students, playwrights, and actors. But by November 20th, 500,000 people were protesting in Czechoslovakian capital of Prague. Václav Havel was asked to lead the protesters. He told the government what the protesters wanted. They had two demands: for everyone in the government to withdraw from their duties, and for a new government to be formed. Over the next month, people went on strike. The country was completely shut down. The government knew they could not fight back. Finally, on December 29th, the protesters won. The communist government collapsed, and Václav Havel was elected president of Czech. The Velvet Revolution was over. Today, this revolution is seen as remarkable proof that great changes can come about through peaceful means. Number 1. In what year did the Velvet Revolution happen? Number 2. What did Václav Havel write? 3. Why were Václav Havel's writings important? 4. What did the Berlin Wall separate? And 5. What does the Velvet Revolution show us?